Top 5 smoothies to destroy inflammation. Have you ever wondered why your joints ache, your energy dips, or that pesky bloating just won't quit? What if I told you the secret to feeling young again might be hiding in your blender? What if one drink could erase years of pain? Welcome to an exciting journey where we dive into the top 5 smoothies to destroy inflammation, packed with science-backed ingredients that could transform your health. These aren't just tasty drinks, they're your ticket to battling inflammation, the sneaky culprit behind aging, chronic diseases, and that blah feeling. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how to whip up these delicious concoctions, why they work based on cutting-edge research, and how to optimize them for your daily routine. Like and subscribe to make this video irresistible to the algorithm. Let's blend into the good stuff, shall we? The first smoothie on our list is the Blueberry Bliss Bomb, a burst of antioxidant power. Imagine sipping on a vibrant purple elixir that not only tastes like a dessert but also fights inflammation like a warrior. Meet the Blueberry Bliss Bomb, the first contender in our inflammation-busting lineup. This smoothie combines 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Blend it until smooth, and you've got a treat that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your body. Why it works. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that research highlights as a powerhouse against inflammation. A 2020 study in Advances in Nutrition found that these antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and lower inflammation markers, potentially decreasing the risk of heart disease and cognitive decline. Perfect for seniors aiming to feel young again. The chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids, which, according to a 2019 Nature Medicine study, help suppress inflammatory proteins, making this smoothie a double threat. Curious yet? Wait until you see how this little berry can turn back the clock. How to use it. Sip this every morning as a breakfast boost or post-workout recovery drink. Freeze the leftovers in ice cube trays for a quick grab-and-go option. Because who has time to blend every day? Add a handful of spinach if you're feeling adventurous, and watch your energy soar. This is your first step toward an inflammation-free life. Ready to try it? But what makes blueberries so magical compared to other fruits? Stick around, because the next smoothie might surprise you even more. Smoothie 2, the Ginger Zinger. Spice up your healing. Now, let's crank up the heat with the Ginger Zinger, a smoothie that packs a punch. Toss 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled, 1 cup of coconut water, a handful of spinach, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds into your blender. Blend until creamy, and prepare for a zesty explosion that's as healing as it is delicious. Why? It works. Ginger is the star here, and science loves it. A 2021 study from Journal of Immunology showed that gingerol, a compound in ginger, reduces muscle pain and arthritis-related inflammation. Think of it as nature's ibuprofen. Pineapple brings bromelain, an enzyme that a 2019 molecule study linked to decreased inflammation post-injury. Flax seeds add more omega-3s, amplifying the anti-inflammatory effect. This combo is like a spa day for your joints. Intrigued? How to use it. Enjoy this mid-morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. The coconut water hydrates, while the ginger gives a gentle kick to wake up your system. Store it in a mason jar for up to 24 hours, but trust me, it's so good you'll want it fresh. Feeling a flare-up? This is your go-to. But what if spice isn't your thing? The next smoothie swaps heat for a tropical twist. Keep watching. Smoothie 3, the Tropical Turmeric Tonic, a golden glow. Transitioning from spice to sunshine, meet the Tropical Turmeric Tonic, a golden delight that screams health. Blend 1 cup of mango, 1/2 cup of pineapple, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, fresh or powdered, 1 cup of orange juice, and a pinch of black pepper. The result? A vibrant, creamy smoothie that looks like liquid sunshine and feels like a hug from the inside. Why it works. Turmeric's curcumin is the hero here, and a 2018 Journal of Medicinal Food study confirmed its ability to reduce joint pain and inflammation, rivaling some over-the-counter drugs. The black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, per Johns Hopkins Medicine research. Mango and pineapple add vitamins C and A, which a 2020 nutrient study linked to lower inflammation markers. This is like a tropical vacation for your cells. Want to know more? How to use it. Perfect for breakfast or a post-lunch energy lift. Drink it fresh or prep smoothie packs with pre-measured ingredients to save time. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil for extra fat to enhance absorption. Your body will thank you. But how does this golden goodness stack up against leafy greens? The next smoothie might just steal the show. Don't miss it. Smoothie number 4. The Green Goddess. Leafy Power Unleashed. Now, let's dive into the lush world of the Green Goddess, a smoothie that turns kale into your new best friend. Combine 2 cups of kale, half avocado, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds. Blend until silky, and you've got a nutrient-packed drink that's as pretty as it is potent. Why it works. Kale is rich in vitamins K, A, and C, which a 2019 Food and Function study showed combat chronic inflammation linked to diseases like arthritis. Avocado adds monounsaturated fats, reducing inflammation markers per a 2020 Journal of the American Heart Association study. How to use it. Start your day with this or use it as a midday snack. Freeze it into popsicles for a fun twist, or double the batch for the week. Add a dash of lemon for zing. Your taste buds and body will love the upgrade. But what if you want a sweeter fix? The final smoothie is a cherry on top. Stay tuned. Smoothie number 5. The Cherry Recovery. Elixir. Sweet relief. Finally, let's end with a bang. The Cherry Recovery Elixir, a sweet sensation that heals while it delights. Blend 1 cup of tart cherries, fresh or frozen, 1 banana, 1 cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Blend until smooth and enjoy a dessert-like drink that's secretly a health hero. Why it works. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, and a 2021 nutrient study found they lower C-reactive protein, a key inflammation marker, especially after exercise. Almond butter adds healthy fats, while cinnamon's polyphenols, per a 2020 Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study, reduce heart disease risk. This is like a recovery party in a glass, ready to indulge. How to use it. Sip this post-workout or as an evening wind-down. Store in the fridge for up to a day, or freeze into cubes for a quick blend later. Add a sprinkle of cocoa for a chocolatey twist. Delicious and anti-inflammatory. So, which of these will you try first? The answer might surprise you. Let's wrap up with some final tips. Inflammation is like an uninvited guest. It starts as a helpful response to injury, but overstays when chronic fueling diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. A 2019 Nature Medicine study ties chronic inflammation to aging, making it a senior's nemesis. But fear not. These smoothies leverage antioxidants, omega-3s, and polyphenols to fight back. Blueberries' anthocyanins, ginger's gingerol, turmeric's curcumin, kale's vitamins, and cherry's anthocyanins all target inflammatory pathways, backed by studies like those in Advances in Nutrition and Journal of Immunology. The key? Consistency. Daily intake can lower markers like C-reactive protein, per a 2021 nutrients study. So, there you have it. The top 5 smoothies to destroy inflammation. Blueberry Bliss Bomb, Ginger Zinger, Tropical Turmeric Tonic, Green Goddess, and Cherry Recovery Elixir. Each is backed by research, easy to make, and designed to help you feel youthful again. Start with one, experiment with flavors, and watch your body thank you. Which will you try first? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring the bell so you never miss a life-changing recipe. Until next time, blend boldly and live vibrantly. See you in the next video.